Okay, so here's a bit of a long form video. So in the previous video we created the basic calculator, which is basically what our goal is for the Tkinter calculator. So I'm going to speed through the setup process, which is just importing Tkinter to our thing. That's a bit odd. Import Tkinter. There we go. And we're just going to set up win as usual to tk.tk tk with a capital, and we're just going to close our main loop. So that we have our setup all done and dusted, we want some input boxes. So where our first and second numbers are going to go. So for that we can just we can start some labels. So label 1, so label 1 equals tk.label. So of course we're creating another label, and in here we're going to put that into win for now. We can make this pretty at some point, but for right now we are looking for functionality more than pretty. So we have win here, and we can say text equals to input first number. So that's pretty simple and easy. So if we go here, and we can just copy and paste that quite literally. Second number. Beautiful. And remember, we defined it, now we have to call it. So label 1 dot pack, and yeah, we're going to use dot pack despite going over grid. We'll make it pretty later. So this is just easier. We can just use grid just like we can use pack, but for right now pack just tends to be easier to understand and conceptualize. So label 1, right below that we're going to want to have our entry. So entry 1 is going to be tk.entry. That's going to sit in win again just for now, and nothing else is really needed from there. Entry 1 tk.entry, and of course we are going to want to print that to the screen. So entry 1.pack and entry 2.pack. So gotta remember to rename. Awesome. So now if we get started with that, boom, nice and simple. 2 inputs, 2 text boxes, nice and simple.